In this video, we will explore the process of performing GitHub operations in OMNeT++. To understand, it is assumed that you have the basic understanding of GitHub and its fundamental operations such as commit, push, pull, repository, and branches. The prerequisite for the first two scenarios would be to get your GitHub personal access tokens, which are an alternative to using passwords for authentication to GitHub and access the GitHub API. For this, go to your GitHub profile, go to Settings, and then to Developer Settings. On the left side, you will be able to see Personal Access Tokens. Press on it and then select Token Classic. Now, click on Generate New Token and again Classic. It might ask you to enter the profile password. Enter a name for the token in the note field for easy reference. Scenario 1. Uploading a project to GitHub. For the first scenario, consider you have a project already in OMNeT++ that you want to upload to GitHub so that others can access, or you want to keep a copy online. For this, right-click on your project, go to Team and select Share Project. Now, a pop-up will appear which will ask to either use an existing or a new repository. You can create a new repository by selecting Create. For now, we will select Use or Create Repository in the parent folder of the project and select our project. Then press Finish. Now, head to the team and select Commit. Move all the files that you want to upload from unstaged changes to staged changes and then press Commit and Push. Now, this will ask for you to enter the URI of the Git repository that you want to upload this. For this, we will go to github.com, navigate to Repositories tab and select New. Give your repository a name and then finish by pressing Create Repository. You can now see the GitHub link. Copy it and head back to OMNeT++. Paste the link in the URI field and then press Next. For username and password, enter the username, and for password, paste the personal access token we had copied earlier. Press Next followed by Finish. Your project is now uploaded to GitHub. Scenario 2. Pushing changes. Consider we make some changes in our project and now want to push the changes to GitHub repository. For this, add a simple comment to the OMNeT pp.ini file as a change. And once the changes are made, right-click on the project, go to Team and select Commit. Move only the files you want to update from the Unstaged Changes section to the Staged Changes section and add a commit message explaining the changes made. Press Commit and Push and a pop-up will appear indicating that the changes have been pushed and providing the repository link. We can verify the changes by opening the OMNeT pp.ini file on the GitHub. In case you want to push the files to another branch, navigate to Team, switch to New Branch. Create a new branch from the branch you want to work on. Give it a name and press Finish. You can now see the name of the branch you are working on next to the project name. This step had only created a local branch and not in the GitHub. To push this new branch to GitHub, right-click on the project, go to Team and select Commit. Add a commit message and then press Commit and Push. A pop-up will appear asking you to select a remote. Press Next and then Finish. A confirmation pop-up will appear once again saying the operation is complete. Scenario 3. Pulling changes from GitHub. For the third scenario, we will consider that any of the other contributors has updated the project and you would like to pull these changes. For this example, we will just upload another INI file directly to the GitHub and then pull the changes from the GitHub to our OMNeT++. Right-click on your project and go to Team and then head to Pull. Now, you will get a pop-up stating the fetch results and the commit message. Close the pop-up. Now, your project is updated.